had a few people ask us about how to correctly say sounds or phonemes, and so we thought we'd do a little video to support you all. Today we're going to be focusing on phase 2, which are from the Letters and Sounds government document. Some schools use different schemes, but similar letters, but just slightly different order to start with. The reason we don't start alphabetically is because these letters are really useful for making small words up. So sat, at, in, on, pat, and so on. And they also come up quite frequently in the early readers. So here's the correct enunciation. S, a, t, p, I, n, d, g, o, k, 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 e, h, b, f, s. You may notice that when I said the CK, double F, double L and double S, I just made one sound. That's because when two letters make the same sound, we only say it once. So this is called a digraph. Digraphs have two letters, but they make one sound. K, f, s. So hopefully that's been helpful. We're going to do phase 3 letters soon and another video on blending. So look out for that and take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.